Have you ever noticed how one single decision can change everything? One moment of courage, one moment of fear, and suddenly your life moves in a completely different direction. But here's the painful truth. Most people don't suffer because life is hard. They suffer because they are confused. They suffer because they delay decisions. They suffer because they let others decide for them. They suffer because they keep thinking, overthinking, and doubting themselves. So if you ever felt stuck, if you ever felt lost between multiple options, if you ever regretted not taking action on time, or if you constantly ask others, what should I do with my life? Then this video might be one of the most important videos you will ever watch. Because today, we are not just talking about decisions, we are talking about how to take control of your life. So decision making is not just a habit, it is not just a skill, it is not just a personality trait. Decision making is power, the power to move forward, the power to grow, the power to choose your own path instead of walking on someone else's path. So every successful person you admire, every fulfilled life you look up to, every person who seems confident and calm, they all have one thing in common. They know how to take decisions. And every confused, frustrated, mentally tired person also has one thing in common. They avoid decisions, they delay decisions, they depend on others to decide for them. So in this video, I will show you how to get rid of confusion and take decisions in your life. Why decision making is one of the most essential skills you must build. How to remove the habit of indecisiveness and how to take decisions independently without needing validation every time, and how to take decisions in a way that brings peace, clarity, and confidence. So stay with me till the end, because this is not motivation, this is life clarity. So the question is, why decision making is an essential life skill? Your life today is the result of decisions you took in the past, and your future will be decided by the decisions you take today. Not luck, not destiny, not other people, just decisions. So every time you don't decide, you are still making a decision, the decision to stay where you are. And staying stuck is also a choice. So indecisiveness slowly kills your confidence. The more you avoid deciding, the more your mind starts believing that you are incapable. You start doubting yourself even for small things. And over time, you lose interest in your own judgment. So this is why learning how to take decisions is not optional. It is an essential life skill. And then comes one of the biggest mistakes people make is outsourcing their decisions. They ask their parents, they ask their friends, they ask their relatives, they ask random people on the internet, and slowly they forget how to listen to themselves. It is okay to take advice, but it is dangerous to let others decide for you every time. Because when someone else makes the decision, you are not emotionally invested, and when things go wrong, you blame them, and when things go right, you still feel empty because it wasn't your choice. So you must learn to take decisions independently because you are the one who has to live with the consequences, not them. So no one understands your circumstances better than you. No one feels your fear, your dreams, your responsibilities the way you do. So, yes, listen to the people, but never ever hand over your power. The next important thing is do not take decisions in an emotional state. This is extremely important. Never take a decision when you are very happy. Never take a decision when you are very sad. Never take a decision when you are angry, frustrated, or emotionally overwhelmed. Emotions are temporary, decisions are permanent. When you are happy, you become overconfident. When you are sad, you become hopeless. When you are angry, you become impulsive. And all three states distort the reality. So always take decisions in a calm and neutral state of mind when your emotions are stable, when your thinking is clear. So, if something triggers you emotionally, just pause, give yourself time, let the emotions settle, then come back and then decide. This one habit alone can save you from years of regret. Further, what you can do is to write down all the pros and cons. Your mind is powerful, but it is also chaotic. When thoughts stay in your head, they fight with each other. So just take them out, write them down. Whenever you are confused about a decision, write down all the pros and cons, not in your mind, on the paper. When you see things written clearly, confusion reduces automatically. So you stop imagining problems that don't exist. You start seeing reality instead of fear, and the writing brings clarity, and the clarity ultimately brings the confidence. And then the thing is, when you have multiple options, so the life rarely gives us just one option. Most of the time, confusion happens because there are multiple choices. In such situations, write down the pros and cons of each option separately. Compare them side by side. And now comes the most important part. You need to assign the weightage to each point. Just decide what you can compromise on and decide what you cannot compromise on. So, not all pros and cons are equal. Some things matter more to you than others. So, when you assign importance to each factor, the right option starts becoming visible. And sometimes, even after all this, you may still feel stuck, and that's okay. In such cases, don't force yourself to choose one option blindly. Instead, create plan A, plan B, and plan C, and so on. So, this thing basically reduces the fear. When your mind knows that there is a backup plan, it feels safe. And when fear reduces, clarity increases. So, having multiple plans does not mean you lack confidence. It means you are simply prepared. The next important thing is the rational or intuitive decisions. So, your decisions must be either rational or intuitive. The rational means based on the logic, on facts and understanding, and intuitive does not mean emotional. Intuition is quiet, emotion is loud. So sometimes your brain may say option A is better, but your intuition feels deeply aligned with option B. And if you have thought it through calmly, It is okay to trust your intuition because intuition is built from your life experiences, even if you can't logically explain it. So when you follow your intuition, honestly, you feel more satisfied and at peace. And calculating the risk and contingency planning is very important. Every decision has risk, and avoiding decisions also has risk. So instead of fearing the risk, just calculate it. Just simply ask yourself, if this decision turns out to be mistake, what will I do? What is my contingency plan? And when you know how you will handle the failure, fear loses the power. You don't need guaranteed success, you need preparedness. And then comes the reversible decisions that do not need overthinking. So, not every decision is life changing. If a decision can be reversed later, just stop overthinking and take action. Overthinking small, reversible decisions waste mental energy. So, save your thinking for important things, and the progress comes from movement, not perfection. The next thing is just take opinions but decide for yourself. You must take opinions from experts related to your decision. That is very important. But always remember why you are taking opinions, not to follow them blindly, only to broaden your vision. Experts speak from their experiences, and everyone's circumstances are different. It is completely okay to choose a different option, even if everyone suggests something else, as long as your decision is conscious and thought through. So, your life is not a democracy, it is your responsibility. And once decided, just stop doubting. This is where most people suffer unnecessarily. They take a decision and then keep doubting it. Once you have finalized a decision, lock it. No second guessing, no mental back and forth. Doubting after deciding simply damages your mental health. It drains energy, it creates anxiety. So just trust yourself. And remember, there are no wrong decisions in life, there are only lessons. So every mistake teaches you something. Sometimes one wrong decision is preparing you for something much bigger in the future. So the growth always comes from experience, and experience comes from decisions. So just take your time for important decisions. Just simply take your time. Think about them over days. You don't need to rush. Not in one sitting. Let your mind rest and then come back to the decision again and again with fresh perspective. And this prevents the regret and builds confidence. So your life will not change when motivation hits you. Your life will change when you start deciding. Decide to stop being confused. Decide to trust yourself. Decide to move forward. And the clarity comes after decision, not before. And remember, you are capable. You always were. So if this video helped you, let it remind you of one thing: you are allowed to choose your own life. So yeah, that's it for now. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.